stop blaming your workouts. The real reason your belly refuses to shrink could be hiding in the last hour before sleep. One sneaky nighttime habit silently pushes your body to store more visceral fat, disrupts hormones, wrecks recovery, and keeps your waistline stuck no matter how healthy you think you are. The good news? Fixing it is simpler than most people imagine. Visceral fat is not the soft, pinchable fat sitting directly under your skin. It is the dangerous fat packed deep around your organs. This type of fat is strongly connected to heart disease, diabetes, inflammation, high blood pressure, fatigue, poor sleep, and slower metabolism. You cannot always see how much visceral fat someone carries, which makes it even more dangerous. Many people look normal on the outside while their internal health quietly suffers. Most people attack visceral fat the wrong way. They focus only on harder workouts, stricter diets, endless cardio, expensive supplements, or trendy detox plans. Those things may help a little, but one overlooked nighttime behavior often cancels out progress before the next morning even begins. That habit is late-night overstimulation. This includes doom scrolling on your phone, binge watching videos, answering stressful emails, eating heavy snacks while distracted, gaming for hours, or exposing yourself to bright artificial light right before bed. It seems harmless because everybody does it. But your body interprets this behavior very differently. Your brain is designed to follow natural rhythms. As nighttime approaches, your body expects darkness, calmness, and reduced stimulation. This allows melatonin to rise, cortisol to fall, digestion to slow, and recovery systems to activate. When you flood your brain with light, stress, noise, and constant stimulation late at night, those systems become confused. The biggest problem is cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. In healthy amounts, cortisol is useful. It helps you wake up, stay alert, and respond to challenges. But when cortisol stays elevated at night, your body shifts into a defensive state. Fat burning slows down, cravings increase, sleep quality drops, blood sugar becomes unstable, and the body becomes far more likely to store visceral fat around the abdomen. Poor sleep and elevated nighttime cortisol create a brutal cycle. You wake up tired, hungry, and mentally foggy. Then you crave sugar, caffeine, processed food, and quick energy. Your workouts feel harder. Motivation drops. Stress increases again. By nighttime, you repeat the same overstimulating habits because your brain wants easy comfort and distraction. Many people think they sleep enough because they spend 7 or 8 hours in bed. But the quality of your sleep matters just as much as the quantity. If your brain remains overstimulated before bed, your body struggles to enter deeper restorative sleep stages. This is when growth hormone peaks, muscles repair, inflammation lowers, and fat metabolism improves. When deep sleep suffers, visceral fat accumulation becomes much more likely. Research consistently shows strong links between chronic sleep disruption and increased abdominal fat storage. People who sleep poorly often have higher insulin resistance, greater hunger hormone imbalance, and slower metabolic function. Even healthy eaters can struggle to lose stubborn belly fat when sleep quality collapses. Another hidden problem with late-night stimulation is mindless eating. Have you noticed how unhealthy cravings usually appear at night? Very few people wake up craving grilled chicken and vegetables at midnight. Instead, the brain reaches for chips, sweets, fast food, ice cream, sugary cereal, or leftover takeout. That is not random. When you stay awake too long under bright light and stress, hunger hormones shift dramatically. Ghrelin, the hormone that increases hunger, rises higher. Leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, drops lower. This combination makes high-calorie comfort foods almost irresistible. Late-night eating also affects how efficiently your body processes food. Your metabolism naturally slows at night because your body prioritizes rest and repair. Heavy nighttime meals, especially ultra-processed foods packed with sugar and refined carbs, are more likely to spike blood sugar, and encourage fat storage. Now, here's the part most people ignore. The goal is not perfection. You do not need a complicated nighttime routine involving 10 supplements, meditation apps, expensive gadgets, or strict rules. You simply need to reduce stimulation before sleep consistently enough for your body to recover properly. Start with the easiest fix first. Put your phone away at least 1 hour before bed. That single change can dramatically improve sleep quality, hormone balance, stress levels, and recovery. The constant stream of notifications, emotional content, arguments, bad news, and artificial light keeps your nervous system activated long after your head hits the pillow. If quitting cold turkey feels impossible, create friction. Charge your phone across the room. Use an actual alarm clock. Turn on night mode after sunset. Delete the most addictive apps from your home screen. Tiny barriers make unhealthy habits less automatic. Next, dim your environment. Bright white light at night tells your brain it is still daytime. Softer, warmer lighting helps your body transition into sleep mode naturally. You do not need to sit in darkness like a cave dweller. Just reduce harsh exposure during the final hour before bed. Your nighttime food choices matter too. If you are genuinely hungry, choose lighter protein-rich options instead of heavy processed snacks. Greek yogurt, eggs, cottage cheese, a protein shake, or a banana with peanut butter are far better than cookies, fries, or sugary cereal. The objective is to avoid huge blood sugar swings before sleep. Another powerful habit is creating a predictable sleep schedule. Your body loves rhythm. Sleeping and waking at wildly different times confuses your internal clock. One night you sleep at 10, another night at 2. Then, you try to recover by sleeping until noon on weekends. This inconsistency disrupts hormones and reduces sleep efficiency. Try to sleep and wake around the same time most days, even on weekends. Consistency trains your body to fall asleep faster and recover more effectively. Stress management matters as well. Many people carry unresolved stress straight into bed. Their bodies are physically exhausted but mentally racing. If your brain feels constantly overstimulated, simple calming activities can help signal safety to your nervous system. Reading, stretching, journaling, light breathing exercises, or quiet conversation all work better than endless scrolling. Exercise also improves sleep quality when used correctly. Regular movement helps regulate stress hormones and supports better recovery. But extremely intense late-night workouts may overstimulate some people before bed. Pay attention to how your body responds. Alcohol is another hidden visceral fat trap. People often believe alcohol helps them sleep because it makes them drowsy. In reality, alcohol disrupts deep sleep quality significantly. It also increases inflammation, appetite, dehydration, and hormonal imbalance. Frequent late-night drinking is strongly connected to increased abdominal fat storage over time. The truth is simple but uncomfortable. Your body cannot recover properly in a constant state of stimulation. Modern life trains people to stay connected every second of the day. Endless entertainment, non-stop notifications, artificial light, and chronic stress have become normal. But your biology still follows ancient rhythms that technology cannot erase. If you ignore those rhythms long enough, your health eventually pays the price. The encouraging part is that small, consistent improvements work surprisingly well. You do not need to become obsessed with optimization. Most people simply need calmer evenings, better sleep habits, reduced nighttime stress, and fewer ultra-processed late-night snacks. When sleep improves, almost everything else becomes easier. Energy rises, hunger stabilizes, cravings weaken, workouts feel better, mood improves, hormones regulate more efficiently, fat loss becomes more sustainable. Your body finally receives the recovery time it has been begging for. And that is why this one nighttime habit matters so much. It quietly influences nearly every major system connected to visceral fat storage. Ignore it, and progress feels painfully slow. Fix it, and your body often responds faster than expected. So tonight, Before grabbing your phone for another hour of scrolling, ask yourself one question. Is this helping my body recover or keeping it stressed? That small moment of awareness can change more than your sleep. It can change your metabolism, your energy, your waistline, and your long-term health. Fix the night, and the body starts fixing itself. One overlooked factor is bedroom temperature. A hot, uncomfortable room can quietly sabotage sleep quality without you realizing it. Your body naturally lowers its core temperature before deep sleep. If your environment stays too warm, you may toss, turn, wake repeatedly, and spend less time in restorative sleep cycles. Cooler temperatures generally support deeper rest and better overnight recovery. Fresh air, breathable bedding, and a dark, quiet room can make a noticeable difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us which nighttime habit you are changing first.